This video is sponsored by BMW, the dream car competition company. They're a UK-based company, but you can enter from all over the world, and they have had winners from all over Europe. Tickets start at €1.10 and you only have to be 16 or over to enter. This week is a particularly special week because they have added some supercars into the mix, like a Lamborghini Huracan Evo, an Aston Martin DBS Superleggera and a Ferrari Roma. There's also the chance to win 20k in cash in the boot, and if you enter before midnight on Sunday, you could have your dream car sitting outside your house on Christmas Day. So go check out the link in the description to go to BOTB. Enjoy the video.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are under this bridge, hiding from the rain, because the weather is absolutely horrible today. But the day is not horrible, because we've got this awesome tuned BMW M5, tuned by SK Performance in the Netherlands. He also has Kaan Automotive of the Netherlands. You might know Kaan from all those cool Land Rover, Range Rover projects in the UK. And he has tuned this awesome Kermit green BMW M5 F90. So today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the cool stuff on this car, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for a wet Autobahn blast. Yeah, it's the way it is. We can't do anything about it, so we're just going to deal with it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload a new video, and check us out on Instagram at AutoTopNL. Alrighty, so what do we have? Well, we've got this awesome green wrap. I mean, this is a very, very cool color. There's a very nice glow in there. When the sun hits it, you get this like weird effect on it, which looks absolutely awesome. We've also got this carbon fiber kidney grille and some carbon fiber stuff down here on the front bumper. Very cool. I really like the combination between that green and all that carbon fiber. The key has been wrapped as well in the same color. Very cool. It actually looks really good. We've also got some nice BMW M wheels with carbon ceramic brakes, 20-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, which are kind of sporty but do really work in the wet. We've got carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber roof, of course, carbon fiber side skirt and performance. And at the rear we've got a carbon fiber spoiler, which looks awesome, carbon fiber diffuser, and the stock exhaust. The exhaust is stock, but it does have decat downpipes, which SK Performance actually make their own downpipes, so that's pretty cool. But I hope you can see that when I walk around, you can see the color changing. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it looks absolutely awesome. So we'll take a look at the engine. There it is, 4.4 liter V8 bi-turbo. What has been done? Well, basically decat downpipes, as I said, the filters have been changed, and it has a software tune for both the engine and the transmission. And that means that, well, the transmission is way better, or way faster at least, so you really feel that. And it also means that it has 809 horsepower and 1123 Newton meters of torque. So this really is a green beast. It's pretty sick. So guys, you can rate the exterior of this car in the top right corner. Rate it from 1 to 5 and let us know what you think of this M5 in Kermit green. And of course, you can elaborate in the comments. Okay, let's take it for a drive. The interior is pretty standard. I mean, it is absolutely lovely with gorgeous leather, some carbon fiber trim, and well, it's just the M5 F90 as we know it, and we love it. We absolutely love it. So before we take it for a drive, I just want to mention our new watch. This one is online now. It's called the Geneva Master, limited to 30 pieces. It has a Ronda Z60 movement with day date. It's quite big, 46 millimeters. So this is a watch that's very suitable for people with, you know, big wrists. But it is a very nice watch. And it's actually a tribute to the Swiss street circuit, Circuit des Nations. Wow, that's very French. Which is one of the very few racetracks in Switzerland. So the track has actually been engraved on the case back. So if you want to see that or you want more information, click in the top right corner to go to our official store. Okay, I'll start it up with the door open. So we're in comfort now. I'll just put it in this one. What's this? MDM mode. Yeah. So this is Sport Plus. It is pretty damn loud. Very good sound. It is a very, very good sound, this, because you do have that loudness and that bang, but you don't have that super annoying droning sound that you sometimes get. Okay, the four-wheel drive, we're actually going to put that in four-wheel drive mode, and we're just going to put the rest in Sport Plus, because, you know, you guys can see that it is super wet. So four-wheel drive Sport or two-wheel drive, that just means that with 809 horsepower and especially 1123 newton meters, it's going to be tricky. And, you know, this is a customer car. I don't want to take any risks, so we're just going to do it in four-wheel drive mode and see what this car feels like. Even with four-wheel drive mode, you still get some wheel spin. But once you get going, wow, this car feels really good already. Oh my god, that torque is incredible. Okay, here we are at the Autobahn. I am going to turn on the speedo cam and put the suspension in comfort. Okay, so the speedo cam is gone. You guys can see the speed right there. I've put the suspension in comfort mode to cope with the bumps, steering in comfort as well. Holy moly! Oh, this is fast. The shifts are way faster than stock as well. You can really feel that. Man, oh man, oh man, this is a very good tune. Oh, it feels so smooth and progressive. Here you go. Okay, there you've got the speedo cam right now. 5th gear, full throttle. This thing just keeps pulling. It's insane. That's 312 and the limiter. Oh, yes. The juices are flowing inside of me because this is one hell of a tune. It is the fastest tuned M5. Well, it's the fastest M5 we've ever driven. It did 100 to 200 kilometers an hour in 6.22 seconds, which is very quick. Oh, it's just a shame it's so wet because we weren't able to do a measurement from zero because, you know, with this amount of power, it's just nothing really happens. Oh, but what a car. What a tune. I mean, we are able to appreciate this car more and more. Now we're driving all these tuned versions. This chassis is absolutely magic on the Autobahn. And I know we complained at first about this car being a little bit too soft and a little bit too distant, not being direct enough. Then came the M5 competition, which solved everything. But this particular version, this SK Performance tuned regular M5 with the soft suspension, man, what a weapon. And the guys at SK Performance built some nice downpipes as well, because you've got this sound which is freaking awesome, but you don't have any droning or anything that you sometimes get with a decat downpipe. I mean, this is a quality build, a quality tune. I am honestly quite impressed with the way this car has been handled and tuned and how it feels. So we've got 5th gear, 100 kilometers an hour, full throttle. And that's 210 kilometers an hour. What? This car is so much torque, it just goes in any gear. What an absolute beast of a car. Absolutely love it. So if you have an M5 and you want to make it a lot faster, go check out SK Performance. And if you have a Land Rover or anything, go check out Kaan Automotive, also in the Netherlands. Thanks very much for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. Bye guys, see you at the next one.